Welcome to Humanitarian's AI. Today, hi guys, in the last video we generated an original song called River Mama Calling using Nana Code, a ghost artist in lyrical literacy. In this video, we take a song all the way to Suno AI and produce a finished playback track step by step. By the end, you'll have a real audio file ready to upload on Spotify, YouTube, or anywhere else. Before you touch Suno, get three things ready from lyrical literacy. First, your clean lyrics. Second, your performance tags from Meta Nana. And third, your style string from Session Nana. We already have all three for River Mama Calling. Let me show you where each piece goes inside Suno. Open Suno and then click on Create. By default, Suno will get you to Simple mode. We will switch to Advanced mode. Advanced mode has three separate fields: lyrics, style, and song title. That's exactly where you put our three lyrical literacy outputs to go. In the style of the music field, paste the style string from the top of your session notes. For River Mama Calling, that's reggae, reggae jazz, dub lullaby, spoken words, acoustic, steel pan, etc. Suno reads this as a command separated list. Each word shapes the sound. Keep it under 120 characters. Don't use full sentences here. Keywords only. Now paste your full metanana output into the lyrics field, performance tags and all. Suno reads the tags inside the square brackets as instructions, so when it sees warm contralto behind the beat, intimate or unhurried, it actually shapes the vocal performance. When it sees dub break, steel pan solo, bass pulse, it generates that instrumental section. The tags are doing the real work. Do not remove them. A few things to watch. If Suno cuts down your lyrics, it's because the total character count is too high. Trim the spoken word section first, they are the longest. And if the tags isn't working, simplify it. Now click to more options and select female. And then add your title, River Mama Calling, and hit create. Suno always generates two versions at once. Listen to both before you decide. Version A might have a better vocal take. Version B might nail the dub break. You are not locked into either. You can generate as many as times you want. Let's listen to what we generated.
River mama calling from the deep. She know every secret that the water keeps. Come lay down your burden on the mossy stone. The river will carry what you can't carry home.
When you are listening, check for four things. 1. Does the voice sound like a warm contralto? If it's too bright or thin, add deep warm contralto to the style field. 2. Did the spoken word section come out as speech? If Suno sang them instead, wrap those lines in parentheses inside the tag. 3. Did the dub break actually create an instrumental section? If not, add more instrument tags to the bracket. 4. Did the outro fade the way the session notes describe? If it ends abruptly, add fade out to the last line. Once you have a version you like, you have three options. Extend. Extend adds more content after the current ending, useful if Suno cuts the outro short. Second is Get Stems. Get Stems splits the track into separate vocal instrument files, great for remixing or uploading an instrumental version separately. Then is Download. You can save your audio file however you want, MP3 audio or a WAV file. That's your finished track there. That's the full pipeline, from a single command in Lyrical Literacy tool to a finished audio track in Suno. The meta tags do the production directing, the session notes give you a style string, and Suno does the generating. Try it with different ghost artists. Next, swap Nana for any other ghost artist like Champa or Marley, and the whole sound changes. Type list in Lyrical Literacy tools to see every artist available. Thank you. That's it for this video and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Humanitarian's AI.